Hey guys, so my name is Jai. I'm from Team Stolo, and today I have a product update for you, right? So yes, so we've been listening to a lot of you, and how you've been giving us a lot of feedback as well, right? So this is more regarding on the strike selection part, right? So for example, few of the features you actually have to select a lot of strikes in order to use that particular analysis itself, right? For example, cumulative OI, trending OI are features where you use multiple strikes. And for those of you who have been using it until now, you'd had to individually select that, right? Though it was being done, but we thought we can actually make it much more easier for you itself, right? So I'll just quickly show you an example with trending OI itself. So as soon as you come into trending OI, yeah, before you had a drop down where you had to select the strikes. Right now, on just click of plus strikes, we have a new pop-up for you here, where similar to an option chain itself, we give you all the strikes, right? So you can see all the strikes, so above the ATM and below the ATM for both call and put itself, right? And you would directly understand which are in the money with the highlighted part, which is at the money, and which is out of the money, which is not highlighted itself, right? So coming to the strike selection itself, so trending OI is a feature where you select multiple active strikes, and then based on those strikes you look at the data, and you figure out the bias in the market direction itself, right? So yes, coming to it itself, so at the bottom here you have different options, which I shall quickly run you through it one by one, right? So in order to select strikes below and above, so I've selected call and put, right? And if I choose 5 here, you can see that there are 5 strikes that have been selected on both sides, call and put, for above the ATM, right? So 5 on the call side, 5 up and below the call side, 5 above and below the put side as well, right? And once you click on apply, you can see that the all the strikes have been applied and selected automatically itself, right? And you can see the strike selected directly here, so you can see 21,450, 21,500, and you hover over +9, you can see all the other strikes which have been selected as well, right? So similarly you can also, let's say, so usually for trending OI you would choose 7, right? So usually 7 strikes is what you would choose. So you can use your keyboard arrow marks to increase and decrease as well, or you can directly type it in as well, right? So as soon as you have selected 7, you can see that 7 strikes have been selected above and below itself, right? And on click of apply, similarly all those strikes would be selected. So we also have a so for example, now I've selected 7 strikes, right? And let's say I've randomly selected 21,200 and 21,150 strike here, right? And let's say I actually do not want to select that. I want to maintain the previously selected, which was the plus minus 7, right? I can just click on reset, and you can see the 21,200 and 21,150 being unchecked itself, right? I'll just show it to you again while being right there. So I click on reset, it automatically goes away, right? And let's say you want to start fresh, rather than selecting these strikes, you can automatically click on clear all and choose any strike you want, right? You can click on the ATM button to directly select only ATM strikes and click on apply, right? And another uh, uh, small feature also is to choose which side, right? So currently if I basically click 5 here, yes, you can see it's selected on both sides, right? So now let me just remove the P side and enter 6. You can see that 6 above and below have been selected only on the call side, because I've chosen only the call side, right? So similar on the put side as well. I can just, let's say I increase it or decrease it to 5. So you can see now that only on the um, put side the strikes have been selected, right? And now if I even increase, it would only be increasing on the put side. So yeah, you can quickly reset all of it, and on click of apply, it would directly be applied here, right? So let me just select, I think 5 for now, and let me just select. Actually, let me, yeah, seven. Okay, so I've selected seven strikes on both call and put side, and I clicked on apply, right? And it would automatically be applied here. And also now it is being saved, right? So even if you, let's say, for example, you go to the option chain, you do your analysis here, and you want to come back to your trending OI to look at the data, you can see that the strikes would automatically be saved. At that particular analysis itself, right? So this is been added throughout the platform. You can make sure to check it out. For example, here cumulative OI as well. You can choose multiple strikes through the new strike selection, similarly for multi strike, and also other places where it would be required itself, right? So yeah, so that is the strike selection update. Hope you guys liked it, and if you have any other feedback, you can surely reach out to our team, and our team would take it up, right? So that is the idea. And another quick update that we have is the symbol selection drop down itself, right? So on click of the pen icon here, so currently I've selected Nifty 50. You can see a drop down of all um, um, symbols that we have, right? So in symbols or instruments that we have. So currently so before this update, it was just a drop down of all the FNO stocks and indexes available, right? So now we have actually categorized it based on the sector it is in, right? So you can see that indexes, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty have been together grouped. You can see the chemical sector, FNO stocks here, and you can see the capital goods stocks combined together, pharma stocks, and similarly you can see it for others as well, right? You have your finance stocks, um, you have your textile sector stocks as well, right? So so that way we have grouped everything together in the menu section here. And not only that, we also tell you the nearest expiry for it, right? For example, today Nifty's expiry is today. We have shown that Nifty currently expires today, right? And the closest expiry for mid cap Nifty is in 4 days, Fin Nifty is in 5 days, and Bank Nifty is in 6 days, right? And similarly for the FNO stocks as well. So not only that, so we've categorized it, and also you, as always, you can always search in the top bar itself, right? So for example, I want to search for Adani, you can directly search Adani and you can select it itself, right? So yes, these are the updates on the platform. Hope you guys liked it, and we would love your feedback after you use it as well. So yes, make sure you let us know, right? And yes, thank you.